Hey, what is up guys, welcome to this video, and today in this video I am going to share the list of best free chess apps for your Android phone. So if you are looking for the same, then do check out this video till the end. First on our phone is Chess. You can sign in with Google to play online. If you are a beginner, you can know that how to play chess here. It have two modes like single player and multiplayer. Also you can choose difficulty level, your playing position, you can turn on and off the tutor and show danger sign. You can also check out advanced settings. The board layout is good. In options, you can manage CPU thinking, show CPU mode, sound effects, legal moves and much more. And here you can see your stats. If you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Second on our phone is Mate in 1. It have a big number of chess exercise, which covers different methods of mating. The board UI is good. In statistics, you can see your progress and topics statistics. You can customize the test settings according to you. And in settings, you can change piece theme, board theme and move marker. Also you can adjust the animation speed. You can turn on and off the show border, highlighted available moves and sound. And much more options are here, you can try. If you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Hey wait, before moving forward, please like this video because your likes motivate me to create more amazing content just like this. Third one is Play Magnus. In this, you can play and learn chess with the world champion. The chessboard layout is good to play. Here you can customize the pieces and boards. Also you can hide the coordinates. And in settings, you can select your language, can turn on and off the sound effects, legal moves, opponent last move and tutorial. And that's all about it. If you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Fourth on our phone is Chess Clash. In this one, you can play chess online with random persons. Here it have 3 chess that you can play like classic chess, quick chess and play with computer. Here is the chessboard layout. You can invite your friends through WhatsApp. In equipments, you can check out pieces and board design. Here you can see the events. And in settings, you can log in through Facebook or Google, or you can play in practice mode. Also you can manage the languages, sound effects, check messages, challenges from your friends only and notification. If you like it, then check out the link in the description box. The last on our list is Really Bad Chess. In it, you can undo your moves up to 5 times in free version. You will get 4 free modes to play like daily board, weekly challenge, ranked mode and free play. The chessboard is in front of you. In options, you can adjust volume and also you can manage haptic feedback. If you like it, then check out the link in the description box. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also hit the subscribe button with the notification bell icon to never miss any future updates from this channel. Thank you.